Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Yannick and I'm a social scientist studying behavior change, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'd like to give you an idea of what you can expect here. In my youth, I have made many bad decisions and I have done many things that didn't lead to good outcomes. I was eating unhealthy, drinking too much, smoking, using drugs even, and I couldn't seem to figure out how to change my habits. For a long time, I had been uncertain of my purpose in life, and I was always procrastinating and constantly throwing away opportunities. For a while, I had been quite lost. Then in 2017, I moved from the Netherlands to Australia, and I could start from a clean slate, and I was able to completely reinvent myself. I was able to eliminate bad habits and build a lifestyle that aligned with my values and live a life true to myself. On this journey of self-improvement, I met many other people facing the same challenges, trying to find mental clarity, become resilient, find a purpose, etc. So I've decided to share my experiences and my views and document my journey in search of a better way to live. As a social scientist and experience expert, I will share what I've learned to gain wisdom, develop skills, and build habits to make impact. Lasting impact in your personal life, but also in the lives of others. One topic that would capture the essence of this channel is change. I've always been fascinated with change, and ever since I'm studying change more in depth, I might have a thing or two to share. I will explore how to make change easier, how to make better choices, eliminate undesired behavior, adopt healthy and smart habits, build good relationships, and make lasting impact. I'm hoping to create content that helps you to improve your focus, to prioritize and hopefully optimize your health, to become more self-aware, and to find your highest point of contribution, and then render service to those that need you the most. I will talk about topics including minimalism, mindfulness, meditation, breathwork, habits, leadership, and other topics related to personal development. I will share timeless wisdom from philosophers and sages, as well as stories about my personal experiences, how I have overcome challenges dealing with stress, mental health, finding happiness, finding purpose, and tie that with scientific research to give you the most effective and best practices to help you take control over your life. And hopefully it helps you to find or act out your purpose and live a healthier and happier life. If there are any specific strategies, tactics, or tips and tricks that you're looking for, please share your questions or preferences in the comments below, and I will try to cover those in my videos. Hey, and thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me to have you here. If you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing and perhaps turn on your notifications so you get notified when a new video drops. I'll see you around. Bye.